My word, are you in for a treat this month? This is a fantastic box for those of you that are massively into your card making, love your die cutting and just need them core dies to get you going. So what this month's box is all about is your nested circle. So you've got beautiful scalloped edge and the stitched edge. All of those dies to get you started, a whole kit to get you going, so you've got a useful tool, everything you need to make at least 21 cards. Now, what is it I'm talking about? Let me show you. When we open up, obviously, the whole experience out of the box, as you're all used to every month now. But the crux of this whole one is this little set of dies here. It might not look very exciting, but it's this set of dies which are going to allow you to do beautiful mats and layers. So can you see with each shape we've got the scalloped edge, we've got a stitched edge to layer inside of it, and now whether you're doing mats and layers, whether you're doing apertures in your cards, whether you're creating fold backs like these, there are so many different things you can do. I mean, look at this one here. This is beautiful, and it's just about having those basic core shapes, but more than anything, having the shapes and then knowing what to do with them, because bear in mind with every one of these boxes, I'm coming along with you to teach you everything you need to know to get you started. Now, before I walk you through what it is that I'm going to be showing you, let me tell you, as well as the metal dies, what else are we getting in this kit? So, loads of blank cards and envelopes, and we've kept it simple this month because it's really about learning those matting and layering techniques. So you've got your 5x7s, you've got your 4x6s and your 6x6 cards. So plenty of them with all of the matching envelopes to get you going. Then what have we got? So we've put in here 2 sets of stamps, and when I've worked with the team to put the stamp sets together, we've tried to focus on florals, because I just know this time of year especially, you're wanting to get out of the Christmas mentality, you're wanting to start and think ahead to the spring, and nothing says spring like your florals. So we've got beautiful flowers, butterflies in there, the little sentiments that finish it off. So we've got a beautiful set, 2 sets of acrylic stamps to get you going. Now on top of that, I've put in a whole collection of die cut toppers. So when we say die cut toppers, we've got ones here that are different shapes, different sizes. We've got ones that are more like little tags in them. We've done different colour palettes to match in with the beautiful papers that we've got in this set. So you can see there, lots of different ones. Happy birthday, feel better, you're the best. I mean, there's all sorts of sentiments we can be working at there. So a whole collection of die cut sentiments. I've put you in a lot of pearls, beautiful pastel colours, 3 different sizes of those pearls. I've then also put you in 3 sizes of the ribbons. So if you can see, you've got your small, medium and large size in your satin ribbons. Then we've got a selection of patterned papers. So if I show you the papers we've got here, let's get them out. You can see beautiful florals in a lovely spring, let's get these out, in a lovely spring pastel colour palette. So nice muted shades that are going to match in beautifully with the pearls, with the ribbons, and then also a pack of the coloured card to match in. So the idea is, you see, you're going to take this away with you, and it's going to have all of the cardstock, the mats and layers, the embellishments, everything you need to finish those beautiful cards. But really, all of that is coming as a bonus, because what you really need in this set are just going to be those fabulous dies. So everything to get you going, and of course those dies are going to live on and on and on. So what am I going to teach you to do? What am I going to walk you through? Well, first of all, if you watch through my tutorials, I'm going to show you just the basic core fundamental principles of using them for your matting and layering, and how you can create lovely shape and dimension on your cards. I'm then going to teach you how to use these to make easel cards, because you can do easel cards with all of your shaped dies. And again, once you've learned this technique using what's in your box, hopefully that's something new you'll take to all of your card making in future. I love this idea. The idea of creating an aperture in the front of your card. So you can see I've done it here, and I'm going to teach you how to cut through your multiple layers and how to get that aperture perfectly positioned. But if you see some of the other idea cards that we've got, this is one of the ones from the box. Isn't it lovely to have your card and also your insert and multiple layers leading you through to the inside? And of course that's using the beautiful stamps in the box, using the die cut, the sentiments in here, the stamp sentiments, the beautiful papers that we've got, just brings everything together nicely. So once you've learnt that technique, you can take it on. Then I'm going to show you how to use the stamps, and this is a lovely technique where you use your dies to create an aperture in a multi-layer stamped project. And then last but definitely not least, I love pop-out cards, and these dies are beautiful for creating the shapes of your pop-outs. Because you've got the concentric circles, you can be creating your own borders, you can be creating the apertures, and then of course even the dangling part in the centre.